Hi guys, in this video I will tell you that how to access your mobile internet on your laptop. First of all, switch on your mobile, scroll down your mobile screen and find here hotspot option. Here is a hotspot option. I will click on this hotspot and I will tap for 2 or 3 seconds on the hotspot option. For mobile name and password, I will click on portable hotspot for on off your Wi-Fi. Click on second number, set up portable hotspot. Here is password and mobile name. Mobile name is Redmi 9A and password Samran 2014. Now I am going to my laptop. Now I click on Wi-Fi option. Here is Wi-Fi option. Now I have found Redmi 9A, that is my mobile Wi-Fi network. I will click on Redmi 9A. Here is a laptop requiring a security. I will type here Samran 2014. Here this is a password of my mobile internet, of my mobile Wi-Fi. Now I am going to type. After type I will hit enter. Yes, you can click on yes or no, it is depend on you. Yes, I click on the yes. Now I am going to check my internet has access or not. Now I click on the Google, browsing here. Yeah, my mobile internet Wi-Fi has access on the laptop successfully. This is very simple to connect your mobile Wi-Fi to on the laptop. If you like my video, share with your friend and subscribe my channel. Thank you.